Welcome to Comrade Media. 2nd July, World UFO Day. Unidentified flying objects. UFOs have been the stuff of legend for centuries, but it wasn't until the 1950s that freaky flying saucers grabbed national and international mainstream attention. Since then, UFOs have captured the minds of old and young alike, and witness stories have proliferated around the world. World UFO Day serves as a way for everyone to come together and watch the skies on the same night in search of UFOs, but that is not the only purpose of it. Many see the holy day as a way to spread knowledge and awareness of UFOs, making a case for their existence and hoping to make disciples out of the dubious. A UFO is an unidentified flying object that cannot immediately be identified or explained. The most general definition of the UFO is something that is apparent in the sky that is not identifiable as any known object or natural phenomena. The term is widely used for making claims about sighting an extraterrestrial spacecraft, that is a spacecraft that does not belong to Earth and humans, purported to be a flying saucer. 1962, birth of UFO. The term UFO for unidentified flying objects was coined by US Air Force officer Edward Ruppelt. World UFO Day Organization WUFODO dedicated July 2 as a celebration of the day in order to raise awareness about the existence of UFOs and with that intelligent beings from outer space that would rule out the possibility of us being alone in this universe. The aim of WUFODO was also to encourage governments to declassify files on supposed UFO sightings, while the most important thing is that people collectively open their minds to the subject for one day and send out the message that UFOs are welcome on this earth. As myths and speculations about aliens amp up ahead of the World UFO Day, it is important to know about Roswell incident of 1947 that sparked the debate on unidentified flying objects. As per conspiracy theorists, an alien spacecraft crashed in New Mexico's Roswell in the summer of 1947, while US government allegedly tried to cover it up. The key event of Roswell incident marks the top secret project by the US Army Air Force that involved flying microphones on weather balloons to detect Soviet nuclear test explosions. The conspiracy theorists claimed that it was an alien spacecraft crash and not the Project Mogul balloon that crashed in the desert near Roswell on an unknown day in July 1947. First spotted by William Brazel on a sizable property in Lincoln County, New Mexico, the wreckage was described by him as a large area of bright wreckage made up of rubber strips, tin foil, a rather tough paper and sticks. The US Army, however, recovered the debris and stated that the wreckage was that of a weather balloon. Called as a cover-up, it soon paved the way for Hollywood movies on extraterrestrial encounters in 1950s until date. Even now, after this much years, the incident remains a defining aspect of Roswell's identity. The area covering the reach from where the US Army recovered a flying disc now has a UFO museum and research center, alien-themed streetlights, and a flying saucer-inspired McDonald's outlet. The area also has a broken down UFO on the side of the State Route 285 featuring an extraterrestrial family stranded and looking for a jump start.